welcome to the complete JavaScript course. I am really happy to welcome you to this huge course which will take you from knowing nothing about the JavaScript to the expert JavaScript developer. And learning is a great choice, not only because it's most popular programming language in the world, but also because it basically power of entire modern web. And this course is, in my opinion, the very best way to learning JavaScript that you will find. Now before we start learning, let's take a couple of minutes to get a quick overview of how the course is organized and the project that we are built together, so that you know exactly what to expect. So the course contains about 20 sessions with our 60 hour of video content, and we are gonna kick off the course in session 2 and 3 with the very basic of the JavaScript language to give you to solid foundation of rest of the course. Then you will learn some journal skill that you will need as a developer, like problem solving, fixing error, and setting up the development environment. After that, we build our very first project with the user interface. So this session is about DOM manipulation, and we will build not one but actually three beautiful but simple application. Then in session 8 we will take a detailed look behind the screens, and this will give a valuable knowledge that many other developers simply don't have. Then in session 9 and 10 we will we will keep working on JavaScript fundamentals, like that the simple scripts in that, and how I learn to the JavaScript, which is was the most important. Then throughout the session 11 and 12 we will build the next beautiful project which will teach you all you need to know about array method, number, and dates, times, etc. After that we jump right into our next project, which is going to be this beautiful website, full pack and visual effect and components such as lazy image loading and tapped component, a slider, and so much more. In session 14 we finally reach the pretty advanced but also very important topic of object oriented programming, which constructor, function, and ES6 classes, which will then in the next session allow us to build this stunning real world project. And beside object oriented programming, this project will also teach you how to inappropriate a map and how to actually plan and structure a project, which is also super important. After that we are going to learn all about the asynchronous JavaScript, which is used for things like loading data and the external web with Ajax. In session 17 and 18 we will learn how modern JavaScript applications are actually built using the cutting edge technology like npm, Babel, Parcel, and E6 model. We then take these modern tools and everything that we have learned up until this point. To build this biggest and the coolest project in the course, and we then even finished this course with deploying it to the internal and the external field of the JavaScript will be used like the libraries. In session 19, see we also see include everything you need to know about JavaScript in this course, along with a 10 of real world project and challenges. Now your next step is to watch the next lecture, which is super important to set you up for success in this course, with instruction of many things like how to ask questions. Now if you already know the fundamentals of JavaScript, then after the next lecture please move ahead to the session called how to navigate this course, this which where you will then find the perfect learning path to navigate this huge course. But if you are new in JavaScript, then of course just move on the next session. Alright, so I hope that you all gonna have a 10 of fun with this course, that you become a really advanced JavaScript developer, and that you will take your web development career to the next level. And with the being said, let's finally get